Good morning and welcome back. As you can see, today we are up at Bear Paw Scout Camp. We got a new toy in the mail, an attachment for the John Deere tractor. Here you will see us opening up the attachment, which is a set of 68-inch clamp-on bucket forks from Vevor. The shipping was fast, the shipping was quick. The box was a little bit beat up, but that's the shipping company. That's not Vevor that did that. And you'll see us take and set it on here, and we're going to install it and then go from there.
Yeah, it's a lot heavier than I thought it was. So some assembly required. Step 1, read the instructions. Are they in English?
You're asking me. Yep, pretty simple. Here, this is the part you need to know about. Safely operating equipment.
So pretty simple, just a couple pins. Your bolts are simply T-handles, or will make your T-handles.
Should have read the instructions.
Should always read the instructions first.
We gotta pull this thing off.
Yep. Just don't want to lose the bolt.
Here says disassemble.
My recommendation, get yourself a second set of nuts, create a jam nut on it. So we just figured out that this nut here is actually your foot that ties into your bucket. So you simply hold it underneath there and then screw it down. And just like that. And as many of you know how I operate, we will put this to the test. So there you go. You got your jam nut. You can see down on the bottom, you got your foot. We got about a 2 foot wide, roughly about a 2 foot fork on the front of this tractor. This has got the 520M John Deere loader on it, and it's a 50 horsepower E-Series John Deere tractor. So we do a fair amount of tree cleanup. We actually got a tree across the road today, so this will be perfect to show you how well it's going to work. And you just tighten the jam nut up on the top, using my favorite kind of wrench, as most of you know.
It's metric.
Well, there it is. There's our tree across the road. Fell the other night, so we got some stuff going on up here this weekend, so it happens to be that rake is going to work perfect for picking this up, getting it out of the way. We got a couple other brush piles to move, things like that, so we're going to see just how well it does. The road on the front of the tractor looks like it fits that tractor pretty good. quick, simple, and easy. See just how well it does. That's about a 16-inch log right there. There you can see, he pulled some roots out with it. Now we're gonna go take these down, dump them over near my chipper. Catch up to them. How easy it is. So we're back planing the sand pit again. We decided we wanted to clean up some of this brush up here that's laying around in the sand pit. So my tractor operator, which is Ranger Andy, is gonna do exactly what we thought this was gonna be designed for. It's not real level ground. As you can see, he's raking. We caught that one out of the sand. There we go. Feather the control just enough to keep as much sand as we possibly can out of the brush. As much as he shakes that, still rock solid. He's gonna try scooping stumps off. Throw them off the edge so we can bury them. Look at that. That's impressive right there. He's gentle with it, he might have it. See how all the sand is shaken out real nice? We were very skeptical on if this was going to hold up. They said it's a 5,800 pound weight rating, and I'll tell you what, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. All the tines are still straight. Just floats on the front of that bucket, so nice. Now we're gonna try a rock. We got plenty of rocks up here at Bear Paw Scout Camp. Rock is going to end up on the rock pile for later use. Guys, that was awesome. All right, guys, so there it is. The GARVEE 68-inch rock and root brush fork attachment for the bucket of your tractor. You see, we weren't nice to it. We weren't easy on it. If that's what you're looking for, go down in the description, look for the link below. Get an additional 10% off on their website. The shipping was fast. The shipping was quick. Came out of Washington State over to Wisconsin, 3-4 days. I had it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one, and look for more adventures coming from Bear Paw Scout Camp in the next couple weeks. You know, that's where we are, and we're going to be here for a while. Catch you on the next one.